Michael spends $15 each time he travels the toll roads. He started the month with $210 in his toll road account. The amount $8 that he has left in the account after I trips from the toll roads is given by the following function. And they give you the function, which is just another form of writing an equation. They give you the function for that situation, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. They tell you A is dollars and T is trips. Okay, so even though this has T in parentheses, this is actually A here, so it's like A equals 210 minus 15T. So how much money does Michael have left in the account after 8 trips? So the T is going to be 8. So I'm going to just say A of T, that's the dollars, equals 210 minus 5. Instead of T here, I'm going to put an 8 because that's what we said it was. So 210 minus, we're getting rid of parentheses by multiplying first. 5 times 8 is 40. 210 take away 40 is 170. So how much money does he have after 8 trips on the toll road? He has $170. The next one, we're going to use the same function. How many trips to toll roads can he take until his account is empty? Well, if his account is empty, that means the amount in dollars, the amount would be 0. So I'm going to take this original function, I'm going to make it a capital T so I don't think it's a plus sign later on, and the amount, I'm going to make it be 0. And I'm going to solve that. So I'm going to subtract 210 from both sides. So 0 take away 210 is a negative 210 equals, opposites cancel, negative 5t. Divide both sides by negative 5. Top negative cancels with bottom negative. 210 divided by 5. 5 goes into 21 4 times with 1 left over, and 5 goes into 10 2 times. Top cancels with bottom. So he can take 42 trips with the amount of money he has. That's when his account would be empty. A railroad crew can lay 7 miles of track each day. They need to lay 189 miles of track. The length in miles, so the length is the miles that is left to lay after D days is given by the following function. The length, this whole thing means length, equals 189 minus 7D. How many miles of track does the crew have left to lay after 19 days? So I'm going to replace that with 19. So I get LD, the length equals 189 minus 7 times 19 is 133. And then 189 minus 133 is 56. So he has 56 miles left in 19 days. Now the next one, how many days will it take to lay all the track? Well, if you've laid all the track, that means you don't have 0 miles left to lay. So the LD is going to be 0. So 0 equals 189 minus 7D. I'm going to subtract 189 from both sides. 0 take away 189. Move this a second, is negative 189 equals, opposites cancel, negative 7D. Divide both sides by negative 7. Top negative cancels with bottom negative. 7 goes into 18 2 times with 4 left over, and 7 goes into 49 7 times. Top cancels with bottom. So after 27 days, they will be finished with the job.